In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from HoneyBook. If you need a copy of your contact list for backup, reporting, or simply to review your client information outside the platform, HoneyBook makes the process straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect from start to finish. To begin, log into your HoneyBook account. Make sure you're using the correct account before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one workspace or business profile. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click Contacts. This will take you to the section where all of your saved contacts are stored. After the Contacts page opens, take a moment to review the contacts you want to export. This is a good time to quickly scan the list and make sure the information shown there is what you expect. If your goal is to keep a clean record, it helps to verify things before downloading the spreadsheet. When you're ready, go to the top right corner of the Contacts page and click the three-dot menu. This menu contains additional actions related to your contact list. From the drop-down options, select Download Spreadsheet. That's the command HoneyBook uses to begin preparing your export. In some cases, HoneyBook may ask you to confirm the export. If a prompt appears, go ahead and confirm it. This is just an extra step to make sure you intended to download the file. Next, give HoneyBook a moment to generate the spreadsheet. Depending on how many contacts you have, this may happen almost instantly or take a little longer. During this step, it's best to wait until the export is fully prepared. Once the spreadsheet is ready, download the contacts file to your device. Be sure to save it somewhere easy to find, such as your Downloads folder or a clearly labeled business folder. That can save time later if you need to access it again. After the file finishes downloading, open it to verify the contact information. Take a quick look through the spreadsheet and make sure the names, details, and formatting appear correctly. This final check is useful because it confirms that the export worked as expected and that the file is ready for whatever you need next, whether that's record keeping, sharing internally, or importing into another tool. And that's how to export contacts from HoneyBook. Thanks for watching.